Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RAD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move, and when you consider that just on Thursday the price was all the way down there, and now all of a sudden the price is up here, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price has definitely made a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 64 cents. Why is 64 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has genuine power, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 64. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here. However, in this situation, the price, goes sideways and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this instance? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And once more in this situation, I'm just quantifying that statement, progress, as 64 cents. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward. It's all about this level right here at the 70-cent mark. If you go back through the history of the chart, you can see a whole bunch of times right there acted as resistance, and then you fast forward to today, and that many more times right there acted as resistance. So I'm not saying that 70 cents can't be broken. I'm just saying, apparently, according to the story of that the chart is telling us, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above 70 cents, but stay up above it. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice move today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.